For this project, you will use the Light Grip Cricut mat, a Cricut pen, and Stylus tool at the library. You will need to bring in 2 pages of cardstock that are different colors. Start by plugging in the Make of the Month USB drive. Plug in the Cricut power cord, and plug the Cricut USB cord into the computer provided. Turn on the Cricut. On the computer, access the Make of the Month USB drive. Locate the 2023 July folder and open the Word document. Click on the link and open the project in the Cricut Design Space app. Click Make It to open the project. Click Continue. Prepare the contrast color first, which goes inside the card. Line the paper up with the top left corner of the mat and press it firmly into place. Set the base material to medium cardstock. Load the mat into the machine and press the Load/Unload button. The machine will measure the mat. Once ready, press Go. The Cricut will cut the first design. When finished, press the Load/Unload button. Remove the paper from the mat. Place the second piece of cardstock on the mat. This will be the main part of the card. Set the base material as medium cardstock. The library has the scoring stylus, not the scoring wheel. Click Edit Tools to change it to the scoring stylus. Add the stylus to clamp A by opening the clamp and clicking the stylus into place. Make sure to tighten the clamp closed. Add the mat by pressing the Load/Unload button, then press Go. The Cricut will use the stylus. When prompted, loosen clamp A and remove the stylus. Uncap the pen and snap it into clamp A. Make sure to secure the clamp closed. Press Go. The machine will draw, then cut. When finished, press the Load/Unload button and remove the mat. You can now close the project on the computer and close Cricut Design Space. Peel off the paper from the mat. For the small pieces that may be left, use the scraper tool. Replace the clear plastic to protect the adhesive on the mat. Make sure you remove the pen and place the cap back on it for the next user. Bend the card along the scored line. Tuck the accent cardstock into the main card. Congratulations, the card is done.